everyone, this is Yessie, and today I'm going to show you how I set up Siri announcements for automations with my HomeKit Home and a HomePod Mini. For those who are interested, there is also a podcast version of this available. Just search for Covecast wherever you get your podcasts. That's Kovekast. Now let's get started. We're going to start on the iPhone. Go to Settings.
Settings. Settings.
Control Center.
Control Center button. Swipe down from the top right edge to open Control Center.
And make sure screen recording is enabled.
Included controls heading. Screen recording.
There is screen recording. It is in our Control Center. If it isn't, you just keep going to the next list of items.
Rows 10 to 22 of 27. More controls heading.
Where it says more controls, and you would find screen recording in this list and double tap to add it to the included in Control Center list. Next, you want to open your Shortcuts app.
Shortcuts. Shortcuts.
Click
Create Shortcut button.
Create Shortcut button.
Create search for apps and actions. Search field.
We are going to search.
Search field is editing. Search for apps and actions. S.
For
P. E. A. K. Speak text button heading.
And we're going to click Speak Text.
Added speak text to shortcuts of add action button.
We are going to rotate using our rotor to Actions.
Actions.
And we are going to swipe down.
Edit text.
To edit text and double tap. Now we can type in what we want Siri to say. This will be dependent on how you plan on using this. So in this example, I'm going to say good night.
Speak good night.
So you can play it to hear what it sounds like.
Run shortcut button.
Click Run Shortcut in the bottom right-hand corner.
Next button. Shortcut finished.
Okay, voiceover spoke over it, but it said good night. You go into your Control Center.
Control Center. Airplane mode. Switched button. Off. Selected. Screen recording button.
Screen recording button, and of course it is selected because I'm using that to record this right now. You can either double tap here or swipe down to open controls, and this will allow you to record to different apps as well as toggle on or off your microphone. For this purpose, I recommend recording without your microphone so that you just get Siri speaking. Once you've started recording, you go back to your shortcut, find the Run Shortcut button in the bottom right.
Run Shortcut button.
You can either toggle voiceover or you can just mute speech temporarily so that it's not picked up in the recording. I'm going to turn off voiceover.
Voiceover off.
And then tap Run Shortcut.
Good night.
And then turn voiceover back on.
Voiceover on. Shortcuts. Cancel button.
Then you will stop the recording by clicking in your status bar. And once you do that, you'll get a pop-up asking if you want to confirm that you want to end the video. And you click OK. And then you have a video file in your photos. Once you've done this, you can clear out this shortcut. You don't actually need it. We're not actually making a shortcut.
Cancel button. Cancel. Delete shortcut. Shortcuts. Delete shortcut button.
Okay, once you've stopped your screen recording, there will be a notification in your notification center, which you can tap on. And this will take you directly to the video that you wish to share to your computer. And then you're going to find the share button. It's in the bottom left corner of the screen.
Share button.
Double tap.
One video selected. 0. 5. Heading.
And it says one video selected, and then you are going to airdrop this to your Mac.
Yesie's MacBook Air. AirDrop. Button. Yesie's MacBook Air. AirDrop. Person. AirDrop Yesie's MacBook Air sent. Button. Notification Center. AirDrop. Receiving video from Max. Actions available.
Now on our Mac, we will open Downloads folder with Option Command L.
Downloads. Downloads. Window. List view. Table. RP replay underscore. Final 1616765009.mov. QuickTime movie. 1.2 megabytes. QT movie. Today at 10 a.m.
There's our video, so we're going to press Command O to open it in QuickTime. And then we are going to press VOM to go to the menu bar.
Menu bar. Apple.
In the File menu, we are going to navigate to Export.
File. Menu. New movie record. New audio recording command. New screen recording command. Control. Open file ellipsis command O. Open location ellipsis command. Open image sequence ellipsis command. Open recent. Submenu. Close command W. Save ellipsis command S. Duplicate command Shift S. Rename ellipsis. Move to ellipsis. Export as submenu. Export as submenu. 4K ellipsis.
And we're going to choose Audio Only.
4K ellipsis. 1080p ellipsis. 720p ellipsis. 480p ellipsis. Audio only ellipsis. Audio only. In dialog. Export. RP replay underscore. Final 1616765009.m48. RP replay underscore final 1616765009 is selected. Export as. Edit text. Export as. Tags. Where?
This is a good time to rename this, so we're going to call it Goodnight.
Selection deleted. Tags. She. Where? Desktop. iCloud. Where? Pop-up button.
This works for me, but if the location it chooses doesn't work for you, then you can change that here.
Show more options. Collapsed disclosure triangle. Cancel button. Save button.
And we're just going to click Save. So now we are done with QuickTime. We can close this.
Finder. Downloads. Window. List view. Table.
We're also done with our Downloads folder, so we can close this. Command W.
Close window. Macintosh HD. Volume. Good night.m4a. Apple MP4 audio.
There's our Good Night.
Actions available.
So now you just press Command O to open this in Apple Music. Then we are going to press VOM to go to the menu bar.
Menu bar. Apple.
We are going to VO right arrow to File.
Music. File.
VO down arrow.
File. Menu. New. Submenu. Open stream URL ellipsis. Close window. Command. Library. Submenu.
Find the library submenu.
Library. Submenu. Update cloud library.
And then open that up and click Update Cloud Library.
Update cloud library.
Once this is done, we are done with the Mac and we will be switching back to the iPhone. Now we're back on our iPhone, so we are going to open the Home app.
Home. Home. Homes and home settings. Button.
Now there are two ways you can set this up. You can either add this recording to play when a scene is activated, or you can add it to an automation. I will show you both of these right now. Since we recorded a goodnight announcement, I will show you how I added this to the goodnight scene that we have set for our home. So we're going to find the goodnight scene on our Home tab of the Home app.
Good night. Off. Button.
So there's our goodnight scene. So we're going to swipe down to open controls.
Open controls.
Then we are going to double tap.
Home at night. Good night. Heading.
When you go to set up these alerts for the first time, you will need to navigate to the bottom of this screen to add or remove accessories. So I'm going to do that now.
Page 3. Page 3 of 3. Add or remove accessories. Button.
So we will tap on this and add the HomePod we want to play our alerts.
Cancel. Button. Selected. Kitchen fridge pod. Fridge pod. Button.
If we were setting this up for the first time, we would select it. Then you click Done.
Done. Button. Add or remove accessories. Button.
And then if we flick to the left,
Test the scene. Button.
flick again,
Audio. Play audio. Button.
there is a audio, play audio button. Click on that.
Audio, selected, play audio.
So you want play audio to be selected. You can also pause audio, resume, or just adjust the volume. This is a good option actually for a goodnight scene if you do not want to actually have an alert played. You can just change the volume of certain HomePods to like 10% or something, so Siri's not so loud.
Good night response.
That's the audio file that I already have selected. If you're setting this up for the first time, obviously you wouldn't have that. So
Choose audio button.
you would click choose audio.
Cancel button.
Click on library.
Library button. Playlists button.
And then your recently added files will be on this screen, so it's easy to find them.
Good night response button. No description available.
There's our goodnight response, so I would double tap on this.
Good night. Library back button. Good night response. 13 seconds button.
There's the actual track, so you would tap on this.
Back button.
And then it goes away, and we're back on this screen. You can also have your HomePod set up to repeat, which for this type of alert we obviously do not want. You can also have it set up to shuffle, which we also do not want. Then you can choose to play this alert at the current volume, or you can choose a custom volume. I decided to choose a custom volume so it would always be at the same level, even if someone else had been listening to music. But of course, this is totally personal preference. So,
Volume heading. Use current volume. Selected. Set custom volume. 50% adjustable.
it's set to 50% because it's a HomePod mini. If you decide to set up these alerts on a bigger HomePod, you probably would want to set it to be maybe 30% instead of 50. But that's how you do it. And then you just click back and you're all set up. Another option is to add Siri announcements to automations. So I will show you how to do that now.
Automation tab 3 of 4. Selected. Automation tab 3 of 4.
We have an automation set for 30 minutes before sunset every day that turns on our lights. I'm going to show you how I added an announcement to this automation so others in my house know when the lights are now on.
30 minutes before sunset daily, 1 scene and 1 accessory button.
So we'll double tap here.
Home cancel button.
Select accessories and scenes.
Cancel button.
And I know I'm looking for the kitchen fridge pod.
Selected. Kitchen fridge pod button.
It's selected because I've already set this up, but you would double tap to select it.
Done button.
Then you click done.
Select accessories and scenes button. Scenes. These scenes will be set. Sunset on button. Accessories. Press and hold to adjust accessory. Kitchen fridge pod play button. Media. Select media to play on speakers at audio. Play audio button.
And here's our audio option. This works the same way it does with adding it to a scene. I will show you that now. Double tap.
Audio selected. Play audio.
So we have play audio selected.
Pause audio. Resume audio. Adjust volume only. Good evening sunset automation.
That's the audio file, which I've already chosen.
Choose audio button.
You would click choose audio, then click library, and choose your audio file that you want to add, and it will bring you back to this screen. Repeat off, obviously, like I said before. For alerts of this type, you do not want it to keep repeating itself. Shuffle is off. Then this is personal preference. You can choose to use the current volume that's already set, or you can choose a custom volume, which is what I have done.
Selected. Set custom volume. 50% adjustable speaker.
And that's it. I hope this tutorial has been helpful to you. If you have any additional questions, feel free to reach out. Thanks for watching. Bye.